In this video, we're going to show you how to pour and finish a footing for a concrete retaining wall. Please stay tuned until the end so you can see the entire process. If you want to learn how to set forms, pour footings, and all kinds of concrete work with proper finishing techniques, then you're in the best place here on YouTube. Subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. Here we have approximately 40 lineal feet of 4-foot tall concrete retaining wall that we're going to be pouring. We already set up all the rebar. We typically have rebar number 4 at 12 inches on center and horizontals, and then we have verticals, rebar number 4 at every 48 inches on center. We already excavated and have everything ready. The footing that we're going to be pouring today is approximately 2.5 foot wide by 1.5 foot deep. So this is the entryway. We're going to be pumping the entire concrete all the way into the back. It's uphill on a little hill over here. So right here we're starting to pour and pump the concrete. And right there on the dirt, you can see that we set up some nails. We have those orange nails marked, highlighted. So that's going to be the level of the top of the footing. Now, this is pretty easy, pretty straightforward. It's just a matter of pouring the concrete, making sure that they pour up right there to the level, and they just got to follow that guide as they get all the way to the other side. So we're just guiding the line pump. We're just letting them know once we kind of have enough, then they can just keep moving along. And all you need is just a shovel. We're just shoveling up the concrete around there, making sure it's spread out nice and evenly. This is how it's looking so far. And the rebar, it has the horizontal rebar that goes through the footing, and then it has the verticals tied and everything. So once we finish this, we can come back the following day and set up the forms for the wall portion. This is we call it a temp tool that we're going to be using to press down the concrete. That's our great employee right there, Shorty. He's going to be running the temp all along the concrete area. And this tool helps us to push the rock down like you see right there. So all he's going to do is just kind of press it into the surface. He's going to press it down on the entire surface area, on all of the concrete that we just poured. He basically just presses that down a few inches down from the surface, and we call it a temp. So this temp right here, it basically presses all the rocks further down into the concrete, so that way he has only the cream, the concrete cream that's on the top. And so that's all we do to finish the footing. It doesn't need to be floated or perfect or anything like that, because most of this is going to be below ground. It's never going to be seen. So and the wall, it's only 6 inches wide, so the wall is going to go right in line where those rebars are. So we only need a small area, and by doing it this way, it's very efficient. You're going to have a good quality footing that's going to support this wall for many years to come. Our walls are typically L-shaped, and in this case the wall right here is going to be a little bit centered, so it's going to have the balance, the stability that it needs. It's going to be holding up, quite a bit of dirt that you see there on the right side. So that's why you need to have a good solid concrete wall with footings, rebar all the way through. So once we complete the wall with everything in place, this is gonna retain all of that soil, and it's gonna make sure to just keep everything stabilized. So that's pretty much the step-by-step process on how we pour and finish the footing. We hope you like this video. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and activate the notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any future videos. So this is the finished product right there. You can see how everything turned out. Really beautiful, really nice. You can see the marks from the temp right there. Overall, the surface is entirely flat. We definitely followed the nails that we had as a guide, so that way we can keep the footing, you know, as level as possible. So this will make sure that our form setters, it's going to save them time, and they're just going to be able to do their work nice and efficiently as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how it looks right there, from one end all the way to the other. May God bless you, and we'll see you on the next video.